Let's be honest, the best telephony product for Zoho isn't just about making call anymore. You need to turn calls into data automatically and immediately. But why, Kate? Forrester's Total Economic Impact study commissioned by Genesis and Salesforce reported 260% ROI and an average $2 million in saving from consolidating legacy system and $1.4 million in new sales. Or look at Dentacay, a global dental tourism company. As their organization expanded, its prior VoIP setup began falling under scale. Dentacay selected CloudTalk primarily for improved call reliability and for our Zoho CRM integration, plus automated outbound dialing. And you want the same for your business too, right? Well, let's decode this and see your options for Zoho CRM. Your base is to go? Zoho Voice. It's built into the subscription you get with Zoho. It's easy to turn on and it gives you a neat little call button inside the CRM. Let's say you're a very small team with a low call volume. It's totally fine for you. Think of like a basic functional tool without the good stuff like advanced dialers, AI call summaries, and inconsistent global quality. But it's free. Who doesn't like free? Why should you have to pay when you don't need to, right? Well, not really. If you're looking for a competitive edge, the baseline toolkit won't be enough and you need to make an investment to grow. Take RingCentral, for example. The all-you-can-eat in the buffet in corporate communications, it's got voice, video, chat, wherever you taste. As an established player, they offer you easy cloud migration, integrated Microsoft tools, and advanced AI features. CNS wholesale grocers reportedly saved $1 million annually with them, and First Bank agreed with 30% saving cost. It can be a good fit for the huge entities and require all the utilities, but its size, its biggest drawback. You end up paying for 50 features your team never touches just to get the 5 you actually need. So for most Zoho users, this is like buying a cruise ship to cross the pond. Speaking of growth, let's talk about CloudTalk. CloudTalk is a drive-in lead generator built specifically for sales and support teams that need speed, automation, and visibility. Without the extra cost, CloudTalk seamlessly blends into Zoho's environment and Zoho Phone Bridge, with the whole setup taking about 5 minutes. After that, every call, voicemail, or SMS logs automatically inside Zoho, resulting in 50% less waiting time. Smart Screen Pop is one of the native features of our Zoho integration. When a client calls you, Zoho instantly shows who they are, their deal stage, their last purchase, their open tickets, so you can stop the guesswork and messy sticky notes. And the cherry on top? CloudTalk gives you AI call summaries that give you an instant clean summary directly into Zoho Notes section after the call is done, saving your hours of work a day on admin logging your calls. Not only do you get to save money, but you have throughout insight in your sales or customer support calls, being able to study any points or coach your team. And I know you're doing analysis for your call teams like you should, and you don't like hidden fees. Who does? Isn't it the driving factor why online software purchases can seem disingenuous? That's why we're transparent. CloudTalk plans start at around $25 a month, which is suited for smaller teams that are scaling and need perfect logging of calls. The sweet spot for Zoho lies in $30 range, where the deeper two-way think kicks in. Your Zoho context and CloudTalk context stay perfectly aligned. Expert is around $50. Add the power dialer, ideal if you're running outbound campaigns straight from Zoho. If you're massive, RingCentral might be one place for everything. But growing a sales or a support team is all about turning data around quick, and CloudTalk is the smartest integration 2026 will give you. And if you say it's too good to be true, okay, head down in the description, click the link for a free 14-day demo and try it yourself. And let me know in the comments how your team handles Zoho integration so far.
CloudTalk.